Hey guys, we received this magnetic dryer vent connector kit for test and try. So this can be used for the tight space, air coupling duct with the exhaust hose recessed on wall, 4 inches, flexible quick pipe connector or the replacement. So this comes in this nice box and the packing, so not protective packing so nothing is breaking and stuff. So basically this is a dryer extension hose, as you can see. So typically you know that the dryer, when you move the dryer or you change anything or do the cleaning and stuff, then sometimes the vent, because it is all fixed, so it break. So this magnetic dryer is helpful, like it can easily fix on the wall, and then it can magnetically stick, so you can just remove it magnetically and then just clean up the stuff and you can just put it back. You don't need the professionals or the stuff, and comes with this nice duct pipe as well. So this duct pipe is 31.5 inches, and the opening for the vent is around 4 inches with the 5.3 inches and 5.7 inches block. So here you can easily install that. The instructions are provided so that you can use directly on the wall, and this will just easily stick with the magnet. So and the screws and everything is also provided, so you can easily put that. So here you can just put this with this supplied ring and just tighten this. So this piece will go on the wall. With the supplied screws it becomes easy, and they also provided this dry wall anchor. And then the second part comes here with the vent from the dryer, and then you can use this rings on top of it to make it more secure. So everything is provided. So 3 layer fireproof tube, hassle free setup, and reinforced aluminum body. So you can just close and untighten this, and this will go to the dryer side, and you can just put this ring on the dryer side to make it more secure. The wall part goes outside vent and stick like that.